Well, I decided to prune some of my tomato plants. Sort of because these limbs were blocking my carrots, but I still have a couple of tomatoes that are still, growing. And then I got this orange looking tomato, which I don't know the name of, but it's orange and very colorful. It is rotting, so I'm not going to be able to eat it. But there are some yellow pear tomatoes that I have growing. But these are not going to go to waste because luckily we have some chickens that would probably eat these. All right, well, I wanted to show you sort of kind of what we've been working on. We got some pumpkin plants going, and they are killing it. The only thing that I'm afraid of is whenever I open these, that it's the chickens that are going to kill the tomato plants. So, sorry, the pumpkin plants. So, kind of reluctant to do that at this point. But I'm going to go ahead and feed this stuff to my chickens because I don't want it to go to waste. Here, chick, chick, chick. Oh, there it went. Get it. It's too hard for him, maybe. So, well, I'll leave those cuttings in here. And all 4 of them are in there. We got 3 hens and 1 rooster. So yeah, these are our potato plants, which need to probably go ahead and be harvested, but really don't have time today. So I'll probably do that next week. But we do have another section of our garden over here. I'll come back. We got cucumbers right here, basil in the middle of this one, and peppers basically kind of surrounding the outside. The cucumbers have definitely seen better days. I don't know if you could see that in there, but that's a squash beetle or a cucumber beetle. But these are basically turning orange, which means they are beyond ready to be picked. Look at that. That is a monster. There's bugs all over that thing. I might open this up and see what it looks like. I've never seen an orange cucumber before. Yeah, I don't see, there's one more down there that's been eaten into. I don't see any over there, so let's look at the peppers. See if we got anything on here. Don't really see a whole lot. Basil's doing really well. It's actually blooming. It's starting to die away. Man, that basil smells amazing. Wow. It's all over my hands. Looks like this pepper plant has some flowers. That might become a pepper. Let's see what we got here. Nothing on that one. It's very green. It's staying alive well, even though some of the chickens come up through here sometimes. So we got 2 jalapenos here, and I think maybe the other ones are also jalapeno mucho nacho. What I'm going to do with these jalapenos is probably mix them in with some of my honey that I get, which I am going to try and harvest next week. So we'll see if we got a video there. But yeah, man, these jalapenos are kicking butt. So this one's got a boo-boo. That might not be good, but these higher ones, I mean, they're small, but like this one, man, that one looks great. So, looks like this jalapeno is doing well. I think this was another pepper plant. Let's see, we got yellow bell peppers. Man, the bell peppers just aren't doing too hot this year. I don't know if it's been too dry out or what, but I don't even know if peppers need a lot of water. We kind of got some going here. This is the only pepper that I'm seeing. I don't see that any other ones have dropped. Actually, that's not a pepper, that's a cucumber. Whoops. So I'm gonna get him on his side of the aisle because he's gonna kill this pepper plant, even though it's not producing anything. So yeah, that's it's kind of the garden so far, and I showed you the chickens. I do have a greenhouse. These greens here, that's all the tomato plants, which I might put another video together to show you that and kind of the inner workings of this. I have some automation going, which is this hose you see here, garden hose, to help water that whenever we're not here, which has been working fantastic. So I'll show that sometime, but I'm really happy about these jalapenos and that I'll get to make some jalapeno honey. The pumpkins are rocking. My dill has seen needs to probably grow up some more. Man, this grass is really just taking over right here. Yeah, and then my carrots, I have some extra carrots here, which probably aren't going to make it too long. I do have some more carrots in the greenhouse that I'll harvest here soon. But so what you see here was basically from this point over to about there, following this row of pumpkins, and then back to about right here. So this triangle section from right here, this was all wheat from this year, and you can see that video on my channel. But what I ended up doing was expanding this section back here, and you'll see it probably more than doubled the amount of area that we're going to use to grow our wheat for next year. So I don't know how long the pumpkins are going to be able to stand out here until we need to plant winter red wheat, hard winter wheat, for this year, probably towards the end of October, and maybe no later than that. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's the update.